going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going to the beach again. And I'm right here with the VP, Harvey, number one, de Andres. So right now I'm gonna record my reaction because he did a tune, BMP tuning.
EQT tuning.
What is it?
EQT tuning.
EQT tuning. And he's now doing pops, and I don't know if he's doing flames or anything like that. We're gonna see that tonight. And so yeah, let's see my reaction. See how it is. Moment of truth. Yeah. That's BC suspensions right there. He didn't even scrape. That sounds beautiful, bro. Yeah, BP. Two. Nah, there's no ranking in here.
Well, Tagasi, you do it. You start recording.
So nobody knows about the pop, so they're
So far,
just
three people.
Yeah, the Andres, the VP,
let me pass.
and me. The two VPs and me. Okay, sport mode, baby. Not yet.
Well, Tagaseña. What you think?
I'm still cold, Papa.
You? What you think, bro?
What I like about yours though, it's constant.
Because I can control it.
Huh?
I can control it. No, I'm serious.
Me too.
So my overall reaction, it sounds really cool. It's really different from Andres. Andres sounds like kind of like gunshots, and then Harvey sounds like a AK-47. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the video, but I'm gonna try to get the best content. All right, so right here you can hear the difference from his and Harvey's. Alright, so we stopped by the Wawa to get something to drink and snacks. Alright, so now we're gonna surprise Tyler with the pops. He's behind us. You can't see him. He's doing the turn right there. That's him. So he's not expecting the pops, and somebody's inside his car recording his reaction. Hey bro, that was the surprise, man.
That was a surprise, actually.
Bro, I didn't know it did that.
Andy.
I got one.
Okay guys, so we're now heading out of the beach. I think today was for sure a successful day. My bad, I'm out of breath. I'm carrying the tent, and we've been walking for a bit right now. The crew is in the front, so we got the crew right here. We're heading out already. So yeah, it was a really beautiful day, successful day. Thank God, it was really good. We had a lot of fun. Alright guys, so I believe we're gonna head out and eat. So I'll catch you guys over there. AK-47 baby. Alright guys, so we stopped for a second. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna go home, take a shower, and get ready. We're just gonna chill at the car wash where we usually chill at. Right now we're just parking, we're parked right here, talking and all that. So if you made it this far, comment down below. I see you. If you made it this far, comment down below GTI Mark 7, and also please like, subscribe, and share the video as well. And then also follow us on Instagram and TikTok is gonna be quality_flow, and our YouTube is Quality Flo. And what else? What do we have? And that's about it for now. On Facebook is Quality Flo altogether. So with that said, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.